Hi guys, Ralph here. I'd like to welcome you to my finished Xbox. This is the first of two. I'm going to get the second crystal all done and chipped up. This is a 320 gig hard drive upgrade, IDE, fully cleaned, fully pasted on the chips. Absolutely spot on. That'll do me no problem. I'm actually really happy with this. It's all gone together well. The screenshot still showing the hexagon disc. I'll take that out. All works lovely. The drive didn't work in this one, so I swapped it with the disc that I had, just drive that I had in the first crystal one, and changed the front over because the yeah, they just change, slide these out from, pop out, so very easy to do. So instead of this having a oh, what did it have, a Hitachi one, I've got a Philips inside there. No problems, all work fine. Turn the Xbox off and on again. No disc in this time. Should come up with the Evo X in the corner. Shouldn't come out with the Linux, I don't think, at the bottom. There you go. Xbox working fine. I only have the one case anyway, so yeah, I'm really happy. I normally get told off for this about not taking out the capacitor for the clock chip, but it works fine. I'm not bothered. It works perfectly fine for me. Ooh. All I need to do is get this thing sorted out. Add-ons, Xbox installer. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, if this will work straight through this, you could deprogram them straight to your emulators. That'd be amazing. Up here a minute. No, there's nothing on there. I know there's nothing. And I can put Halo onto here and faff that way. System fine for me. The front close up. I'm going to keep this one as it is, I think. Weather? Oh god. Okay. Down there. I'm going to keep this as is. The black Xbox, chipped, hard drive, done. The other one, the second crystal, if I can get it working properly, all I need to do is do the wiring. Now, this was a success. The first one wasn't, but this was a success, and I'm hoping what I've learned from doing this one, I can get this done pretty much spot on. Once I get the hard drive adapters, I can put a 1 terabyte inside the crystal one, and I'm gonna chav it up. There's a project for you. Let's chav up an Xbox. I'm gonna put, yeah, as much lights on it as I can possibly get. So we have a success in the garage, which means this is gonna be a failure. Hooray, but fine. So brilliant. I'm happy with this. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna get on with doing this maybe now. Yeah, it's early enough. See you in the next video. Thank you.